Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a fragrance that's often described as a celebration of nature itself, Diptyque Philosykos Eau de Parfum. This scent is crafted by the renowned Diptyque house and captures the essence of fig trees with a sophisticated woody twist. Philosykos is built around fig leaves and fig tree notes, combined with hints of coconut, green accords, and cedarwood. It's designed as a long-lasting fragrance, giving you that fresh yet earthy vibe all day long. The 2.5-ounce spray bottle offers a sleek, minimalist design that fits nicely on any vanity. When I started wearing Philosykos, what struck me first was how natural it feels. It's not an overpowering floral or heavy musk, but more like stepping into a sunlit grove of fig trees with subtle tropical warmth from the coconut. The green notes give it a crisp freshness, while the cedarwood adds depth and a slight smokiness. This complexity makes it very versatile, perfect for both casual daytime wear and more elegant evening occasions. In terms of wearability, it's quite smooth on the skin without being irritating or overly sweet. The longevity lives up to the claims. I found it lingering softly for about 6 to 8 hours, which is impressive for a scent that's not heavy or cloying. Application is straightforward. Just a couple of sprays from the bottle is enough to carry the fragrance without overwhelming your senses or those around you. One thing to note is that while Philosykos feels fresh and woody, it might not appeal to everyone, especially if you prefer floral or gourmand fragrances. It leans into a green, earthy character that's more niche than mainstream. Also, the price point is definitely on the higher end, reflecting its luxury branding and the quality of ingredients. But it might not be the best fit if you're looking for something budget-friendly or more traditional. On the plus side, the packaging is elegant yet understated. The bottle has that classic Diptyque vibe with its simple typography and clear glass, which is a nice touch if you appreciate minimalist design. The scent itself stands out for its originality in the fig fragrance category, often dominated by sweeter or more synthetic interpretations. If you're curious how it compares, some fig-inspired fragrances out there tend to be fruitier or heavier on vanilla, but Philosykos stays true to the leafy, green essence with a sophisticated woody backbone. It doesn't feel gimmicky or overdone. It's refined, natural, and somewhat poetic in its aroma profile. Value-wise, it's a solid choice if you're investing in a signature scent that's different from the typical floral or sweet perfumes. You're paying for quality, longevity, and a unique scent story, which is exactly what Diptyque aims to deliver. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are fig fragrances with a lighter price tag that might offer similar freshness, though perhaps without the same depth or lasting power. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It really helps Beautyistic bring you more honest and detailed beauty insights. Wrapping up, Diptyque Philosykos Eau de Parfum is an elegant and natural fragrance that captures the fresh, woody essence of fig trees beautifully. It's best suited for those who appreciate green, earthy scents with a refined twist and don't mind investing in a higher-end perfume. If you want something truly different from the usual floral or gourmand options, this could be a wonderful addition to your collection. If you've tried Philosykos yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. The link to grab this perfume is in the description and comments for easy access. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.